Hi, my name is Ankit and I'm a software engineer. So these days you must have heard about that AI will replace software engineers or web engineers. So in this video, I'll try to find that out if AI is really that powerful that it can replace software engineers. And to find this out, what I will do is I will try to turn images or screenshots into a functional code. All right. Okay, so let's first find out some images. So I'll go to dribble.com and here I will search for a landing page. All right. Okay, so yeah, let's try this one. The first one. Okay, I will open it and I'll try to actually create this screenshot or image in a functional code. Okay, so let's just take this portion. Okay, I'll try to create this thing. All right, so let me save this in my local system. All right, I have saved it. Now, the website which I'll be using is Bolt AI for this video. So let me go to Bolt, and here Bolt lets you upload screenshots or images. So there is upload file section where I can upload the screenshot. So I uploaded our screenshot, which is this. Okay, let me close this one. Now I can write a prompt to turn this image into a functional code, and this step is very important. So what I'll write is please build a prototype using the provided image. Please match the design exactly. All right, so this is my prompt and I will go ahead and it's started building. Let's see. Okay, so it is creating package.json, app.jsx, which means it will use react.js. Okay, so we can see the file structure and code. That's nice. Okay, it keeps generating the code. All right, the code looks nice. All right, okay, it is updating the code base and we can see what it is doing here. All right, so this is preview and code area, and here we can interact with the system. Okay, looks like it has created the code and now it is generating the preview. Let's see how the output is, and we can conclude whether AI can replace software engineers or web engineers now, but it surely can in the future. Right, I'm waiting for the preview. Okay, since it took a lot of time and the preview was not generated, I have informed Bolt that this preview is not working. So it is trying to fix these issues. So let's see if it works now. All right, something got generated, but it's not up to the design. So let me tell them that the design is broken, and let's see what they do. Okay. All right, they are fixing the design. I think they are regenerating the app.jsx file. All right. Okay. This generation looks nice. All right. They are using charts, cards, tables. It's nice. All right. They are using Tailwind. Okay. They are saying that they have updated. No, not working. I think by looking at this code, what I can see is, for example, they are using this line chart, but I can't see any components for line chart. So let me tell them, looks like the component code is missing. That's why the design is broken. Okay, let's see. Let's see if they will consider my prompt, and they'll try to write the components. Okay. Hmm. All right. So as you can see now, they started writing the components. They have written this avatar component, button component, card component. Yeah. So looks like they will fix it in this iteration. But let's see. Okay. They have done everything, and now they are generating the code. Oh, sorry. Now they are generating the preview. Hmm. No. Nope. 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 It's not working. It's not working. No. Let's try some another tool. So there is another tool v0.dev, and this is backed up by Vercel. So let me try to upload one image here, the same image, and I will also keep the prompt same. Okay, so please build a prototype using the provided image, and please match the design exactly. Okay, so let me run this. And they also have a similar kind of UI where there is chat box, but I can't see the area. Oh, now it is here. So yeah, it's pretty similar. They are also using a React on Next.js, which is a React framework. So things are pretty similar. In Bolt, we can see that there is this chat box thing, and here we have code and preview. Similarly, v0.dev has this chat thing, and this side they have this code and preview. Yeah. So the UI is same. Let's see what output they generate. So this is the output from Bolt, which I mean they try to generate everything, but the issue with their generation is that style is broken. I'm not blaming Bolt, because it might happen that this time somehow this style is broken, but I'm sure that they have been generating great applications or great code. But I think my luck was not there this time with Bolt. So I'm hoping V0 does something great. Okay, so they have generated this preview, all right, where we have this logo and links and login button, heading, subheading button. and then we have these three cards and table. Okay, let's um, they don't have option. Okay. Mm, okay, where is my thing? Is it gone? I can't see anything now. Mm, no, this was my, yeah. Okay, okay, there is full screen. Yeah. So this is what v0.dev has generated. So in our design, we had this logo and these links and then login. So this is similar. We have logo and these links and this login. Then this thing, heading and subheading button. So yeah, this is similar. That's great. That's great. And now we have this section where we have three cards and then two cards at the bottom. So let's see. Yeah, it exactly generated the same prototype. So we have three cards: user signups, revenue by city, and customer spendings. And that is there. We can integrate our charts here. So the prototype is fine. Then we have top customers and a number of orders, which is this. We have top customers. So yeah, it exactly generated the same output which I asked in the screenshot. So yeah, I mean, there will be software engineers, of course, there will be web developers. It will just increase the productivity of the engineers. So when these tools were not there, to generate this whole thing might take 2 3 days, right? But now, as you can see, within 5 minutes it is able to generate the code, right? So yeah, that is my conclusion. It will not replace the software engineers or web engineers, but it will help them basically focus on other creative things, because the code and all it will do. Yeah, and we are at the very initial stages in AI. So I'm hoping that in coming years, it will write full-fledged code. Okay. So if you like this video and if you want to see more videos like this where I do the AI stuff, so you can like this video. You can let me know in the comments that if it helps you in any way, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe my channel, and see you in next video. Bye.